Well, hello and welcome. It's me, and me, it's Joy. It's Joy Ruffin coming to you from the Sunshine State, Florida. Always good to be with you. Every week, we come to you with a word of the week and food for thought. So, now before we get going, am I saying to you good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day, and maybe to a few of you good night, but wherever you are, always coming your way from this end, the very, very best. This week, the word is enjoyment. We love words, especially when they're full of joy and good things. Enjoyment is a good word, and we always tie it into our image consulting and what we think and feel will fit into that realm. So, the title for this week's blog is How to Create Enjoyment and Explode Your Signature Style. Because everyone needs a signature style. As casual as we are, there's so much involved with getting back into finding out what brings you real enjoyment because fashion, like for me, technology can be very convoluting and it can be so intense and involved that the joy and the fun of it somehow disappears. That happens to me with technology, yet I pursue it, I persist, I continue on. So, what we want you to do is the same when it comes to fashion because most women love fashion. It's just that they don't know quite what to do and how to do what to do with it. To put it together, it's a skill, it's an art that you can develop, and that's what we help you with. So, I want you to read the blog, enjoy the blog, and then get back to me with your comments. And also, my friend, I would love to invite you every Tuesday night at 7 p.m. to my Facebook business page where we discuss and we talk about how you discover your signature style and stamp. It's called Style with Joy. And if you're interested in fashion and you like fashion, you can join my Facebook group, Style with Joy. Would love to have you with us because it's not about my joy, it's about your joy. And also on Wednesday nights, it's Leading Ladies, Leaving Legacies. I have two groups, and I'd love for you to be part of both of them. So wherever you are, let me know, leave me your comments, and stay tuned because there's much, much on the drawing board that we'll be sharing with you soon. You be well and take care of you first. Do the very best that you can because it's only then, my friend, that you're going to be able to look after and serve other people. And that's what we're all here to do in one way or another. Good ways, only good ways. You be well and take care. All the best. Until the next time, so long for now. Cheers.